different video for you guys, and it is one of the challenges which is very much in trend on YouTube these days. So I am not particularly a great fan of doing challenges, but this one really caught my eye because it was quite interesting and I really wanted to do it myself and see what I come up with. So this is what I've come up with, and the challenge is Google Picks Up My Makeup Challenge. It was started by Nikki Tutorials and she's one of the best makeup gurus I know. So yeah, I wanted to try this, and if you guys are interested to know what Google picked up for me, then please keep on watching.
So guys, this challenge is done in this way, like you have to write the first letter of your first name and first letter of your last name and then write look on Google search. So mine will come like look, and then after searching go to images, and whichever is the first image on the page, that is the array of colors you have to play with. So this is what I have got. I have to create a look with this colors itself. So it's kind of a peachy blush nude shade. So yeah, let's see what we can do with this. So guys, I'm gonna start up with a moisturized face. Please don't mind my voice, I'm little under the weather. So yeah, I'm just gonna start up with a moisturized face, and then I'm gonna use this MAC Prep and Prime to prime my face. I've been loving this product since I've bought it. Then I'm gonna take a beauty blender and just dab it all over my skin properly. Then for foundation, I'm gonna go with MAC Studio Fix foundation, and I'm in the shade in C40. So this is also again my favorite product currently. I love this foundation to bits. Then for concealer, I'm gonna go with my all-time favorite Maybelline Age Rewind Eraser. So yeah, I'm just gonna conceal the usual areas under my eyes, ridge of my nose, cupid's bow, chin, and under the contour area. Then coming over to the eyes, as we have to create something peachy nude eye look, that's why I'm gonna use my Profusion eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna go with the shade which is terracotta, and I'm gonna work it all over my crease. Then taking the shade Celebrity, I am blending with the terracotta shade. Then to give a little tint of pink shade, I thought of using this Miss Claire eyeshadow in the shade 0503, and I'm taking it with very light hands and applying it over the two shades which we used before. Then for the final touch of shimmer, I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution Ultra eyeshadow palette in Affirmation, and I'm using this shade called Truth over my lid area. It's just gonna enhance the eye look. Then for contour, I'm gonna go with my Makeup Revolution Duo Face Sculpt and just slightly chiseling my face. Then for highlighter, I'm gonna go with the same palette and taking the champagne shade from the same, I'm going to highlight my cheekbones, nose, cupid's bow, and yes, it's a very subtle highlight and it looks very beautiful on the face. Then for kajal, then for the final touch, I'm going to use this Colourpop Ultra Satin lipstick in the shade Misses. And again, it's a very summerish peachy shade. I love how it blends with my makeup. Then to end it all, I'm going to fix my makeup with this MAC Prep and Prime fixing spray. So yeah, I'm just going to spritz it all over my face, let it sit for 5 minutes, and then just use a beauty blender to dab it all over.
So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I had lots of fun creating this look. If you guys are trying this challenge, then please let me know by commenting below and leave the link so that I can check it out. So yeah, this was it for today. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye.